Welcome to Lawyer in the Kitchen. Like and subscribe. I appreciate it. And today we're going to make, what are we making? Seth, what are we making?
Avocado toast.
Avocado toast. It's amazing. It's only since 1993-ish, at least that's, people say that Bill Granger from Sydney, Australia is the first person to make this. It's one of the simplest, it's almost embarrassing to do a video on this. It's so simple to make. But we have a couple of things that we're going to change. First of all, we're going to have some freshly pickled onions that we're doing ourselves. I'll show you how to do that in just a minute. Very, very simple. We're going to add a little bit of garlic. We're going to have, obviously, avocado. And I'm just using a grain bread. But I'm going to not just toast it. I want to go ahead and put some butter on it and put it in the pan and get it nice and toasty. We want it very, very toasty. Only going to butter one side. Some people rub garlic on here. We're going to put garlic in the avocado. So we're going to start it there. We really want this toasted well, and it's not there yet. One good sized clove, or about this much, is fine. This may be a few. It is. So when I said cook this and get it crisp, that's too much, just so you know. So we're going to try again. All right, round two on the toast. So we're going to watch our bread a little better this time. And on the avocado, we're just going to cut it in the middle. Go around the seed. That looks pretty good. And then do that, twist, and you got the seed out. Just use a spoon. And there we go. That is enough. Lemon juice, 1 for flavor, 2 to stop the avocado from changing colors, a little bit of pepper. You definitely have to put salt. Avocado doesn't have very much flavor without salt. And that's plenty right there. Pour that right over them. The onions have to be thin or they won't pickle. It'll take way longer than 30 minutes to pickle them if you don't. All right, so this is our buttered side up. That is done. Now we're just going to take the avocado mixture, very simple avocado mixture. Put a few onions on here. And that's plenty. All right, let's try this. Simple to make. 10 minutes. I mean, unless you burn your bread, then you can burn a loaf before you finally get 2 pieces that are right, but that's all right. You know what? It's worth the time to toast the toast in a pan. And I can taste a little bit of the butter, but the toast is absolutely, it's like a crouton crunchy. And the avocado is creamy, smooth, with just a hint of garlic, got enough salt, and the pickled onions make it just fantastic. Totally crispy bread. I'll tell you what, that's really good. Hey, thanks for coming to Lawyer in the Kitchen. I appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.